Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change AutoCAD background color to black or any color you want using the easy method. This is a great way to customize your drawing area on your setup session so your screen looks exactly the way you want it to look. Step 1. Open your main options window. The first step is to open up your computer's master settings box for the drawing app so you can find the hidden color control panels. Move your pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the word Options, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for a large setup window filled with multiple setting tabs to pop up right in the middle of your screen view. Because you cannot change the theme colors directly from your regular drawing board, you have to open this master configuration window so you can tell the system layout engine to alter its appearance rules. Without this step, your screen will remain stuck on its factory color setting forever. Step 2. Head over to the Display tab options. Next, you need to navigate to the Visual Settings area inside the Options panel where all your screen buttons, fonts, and window layouts are managed. Look at the top row of text tabs inside the Options box, locate the one that says Display, and click on it once with your mouse pointer. Scan down the middle section of the newly opened display page to locate the specific button that says Colors right next to the Interface Elements section. Because the Options panel holds hundreds of different system rules, and clicking the wrong tab can easily mess up your user settings. By going straight to the Display folder, you isolate the exact visual controls you need. It ensures you can access the deeper color setup board safely without altering your other tools. Step 3. Choose your workspace canvas and select black from the drop-down. Now, you need to tell the software which drawing screen you want to change, and then use the built-in color palette tool to swap the background to pure black. Look at the left column inside the new color box, click on the words 2D Model Space, move your eyes to the right column marked Interface Element, select Uniform Background, and then move to the far right drop-down menu to click the word Black. If you want a custom color like dark gray instead, click the Select Color link at the very bottom of that same drop-down menu to pick your own specific shade. This is the most important part because the software divides your workspace into different views, such as model sheets and paper layout sheets. By specifying the uniform background setting, you ensure that the primary drawing area changes color uniformly. It is the key step to getting the right output because it instantly replaces the default light glare with a calm, dark backdrop that makes your lines jump out. And that's it. To change AutoCAD background color to black or any color, you must first type Options to open your main panel. Then you head to the Display tab and click the Colors button to open the interface rows. Next, you select 2D Model Space and Uniform Background, and then use the far right drop-down to change the color option to black. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.